Hey everybody, this is Wilson Leung from Own Real Estate here in the San Francisco Peninsula from WLREA. Today we're going to be giving you some seller tips, and I wanted to talk to you about a question we get often, which is, should I be selling vacant or can I sell occupied, especially if I'm occupying the home? And I can't wait to share with you some of the high-level details of what I would consider after advising and selling over hundreds of homes here in the Peninsula. More so what consumers think, less so what I think. So the audience that's going to be looking at your home is prospective buyers. Prospective buyers are likely going to see your home and multiple homes throughout their search for the right one. And hopefully it's going to be the one that you're selling. The reason why it makes a difference if the house is vacant is because it allows contractors, vendors, handymen to be able to do work to the property to dress it up so that it presents in a better condition. Now, think about new construction. Why do new home construction homes, they have model homes? Why are model homes always staged and cleaned in some frequency? It's because, yes, it's a financial commitment that the consumer is going to make when they purchase a home, but it's also priority is it's a very emotional, feeling-based process. When they first see the home, they want to make, and we want to make a good impression on what they're feeling, as much as they need to have the financials to back it up. So I know for certain situations, the best that we could do is sell it occupied, and there's going to be a whole set of tips that we could provide to you. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We'll give you that list. I'll talk you through that process. If we had the better option of selling vacant, we'll coach you and we'll guide you on how can we make that happen. If we have flexibility in moving to an interim place, maybe finding a short-term lease. If the goal at the end of the day is to sell, to be able to purchase something, let's talk more about that. But let's say we get to the stage where the house is vacant. If it's vacant, contractors, handyman, all these vendors, inspectors, stagers, the cleaners could do what they need to do to present your house in its best light. And it's one thing for me to say it from my experience, but I wanted to share data from the National Association of Realtors on the difference between selling a property vacant, staged, and cleaned versus occupied, just you can get some more perspective. Staging can save you from a costly price reduction. A staged home will sell for 17% more on average than a non-staged home. 17%. At average price points of $1 million, that's $170,000 potentially. And 95% of staged homes sell in 11 days or less. That is statistically 87% faster than a non-staged home. And that's the average across the nation. Of course, every pocket location is going to have their respective data, but overall it's positive to be able to sell a property vacant because we could prep more, we could do more. We can also try to elicit more positive feelings from the consumer when they walk through your home. And hopefully it's going to be multiple people walking through your home because you have such a nice property and you want to make sure, and we want to make sure, a nice family is going to inherit the future home that you've called home for so long. So if you want specifics about the process of preparing a home, reach out to us. I hope this was helpful, and this is for you to gain some insight. One of the bullet points that you need to be aware of when you're considering selling a home on what we need to do, which selling vacant, if an option, is going to be much better.